In the previous video, we talked about how to connect a Wi-Fi bird box camera to our home Wi-Fi, so we can watch the live video from the camera on the mobile phone by using the app. We also install the micro SD card to the camera to record the videos. We don't need to remove the micro SD card to read the files. We can use the same app to playback the footage and download the file from the camera. I've put the link on the top right screen in case you want to review it. We assume the Wi-Fi signal is strong around the place we are going to set up the bird box and the camera. What if the Wi-Fi signal is poor, or even if there's no Wi-Fi at all? In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Wi-Fi bird box camera even if there's no Wi-Fi. Let's pretend this is the place we set up the bird box and the camera. This is the modem or router inside the house working with the ISP provider to have the internet access. Since there's walls or trees between these two locations, the Wi-Fi coverage is not good around the bird box. The common solution is to bring the Wi-Fi signal close to our camera. We can add an access point and connect this access point to the internet port on our modem or router by using an Ethernet cable. This access point will create a new Wi-Fi hotspot. Eventually, this camera will connect to this Wi-Fi hotspot instead of our original Wi-Fi. But sometimes it's not so easy to put a cable between these two locations. We also can use the mesh Wi-Fi. The mesh Wi-Fi works quite similar as this access point, but it will take the wireless connection to connect our original Wi-Fi. So it's very important to make sure the new location you are going to put the mesh Wi-Fi has the strong Wi-Fi coverage. Otherwise, it's not going to work well. There's one more solution called PLC adapter. The PLC adapter takes the power line to transmit the Ethernet signal. Usually it works in pairs. It has a transmitter and a receiver. We connect the transmitter to an AC outlet close to the modem or router, then use the Ethernet cable to connect two of them together. Then the Ethernet traffic will enter our power line through this transmitter. We find another AC outlet close to the camera, then connect the receiver to the AC outlet. The receiver will pick up the internet traffic from the power lines, then create a new Wi-Fi hotspot from there. Then we can connect the camera to the new Wi-Fi hotspot. The PLC adapter highly depends on the quality of our power lines. If the power lines in our house is not good, you're not going to get a good network connection between these two locations. I'm not going to dive in the solutions since all the solutions are vendor specific. You may need to reference to the menu to extend your Wi-Fi to a second location. What if the Wi-Fi is not good, or you just don't want to mess up with the Wi-Fi? Can we still use the Wi-Fi bird box camera? The answer is yes. The camera has the built-in hotspot. We can turn on the camera's hotspot, then connect our mobile phone or computer to the camera's hotspot directly. It doesn't involve any Wi-Fi network. Now let's make it. Before we turn on the camera's hotspot, I want to say the camera's Wi-Fi has a distance limit. It is about 10 meters, 30 feet. So don't expect you will see the camera's Wi-Fi around the house anywhere. So if you don't see the camera's Wi-Fi, you may need to walk close to the camera to make the connection. First thing first, let's power up this camera. Remember, this is not a battery power camera. We still need to provide the low voltage power to this camera. If it takes about 10 seconds for the cameras to boost up, it will make two small click sounds. So we need to hear the click before we can turn on the camera's hotspot. The camera just makes two small clicks. Now let me use this pen to press this reset button for 3 times. The speed is the key, just like this. 1, 2, 3. So don't do it too fast or too slowly. Then now let's use this mobile phone's Wi-Fi to detect the camera's hotspot. We turn off the Wi-Fi, turn it on. So the mobile phone will make a search. You'll see in the camera's hotspot, this is the hotspot from the camera underscore. Now let's make the connection. And the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And we hit join. It will take a while to establish the connection. By the way, if you don't see the camera's hotspot after you depress the reset button for 3 times, then you can do it again. Then go back to the Wi-Fi setting to check the Wi-Fi from the camera. Alright, we have established the connection. Let's go to the app. We'll still use the IC app. And then you'll see in the prompt, it asks us whether we want to make the connection or not. We say confirm. If you're not seeing the prompt, probably because this app is running at the background, then we need to close the app completely and turn it on, so the app will show you this prompt, and we click confirm. So the app will establish the connection to the camera. Let's hit the play. Now this is the live feed from the camera. Let's use my finger to try to play with the camera. Okay, we're seeing the live video from the camera. We have established the network connection between this mobile phone and the camera. There's no involved any network outside. It's working. We also can install the micro SD card to the camera and use this app to play back the footage saved to the camera. Alright, that's all for today's video. In the next video, we'll talk about what if we still want to connect the camera to our router, but we don't want to extend our Wi-Fi network. Then we need to use different version we call long range wireless bird box camera. See you in the next video.